Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrapqueen and today I have a new project to share with you. And this time I used the Graphic 45 papers Mother Goose. I never had the opportunity to work with these papers. I always thought, but when I got these in my hands I thought I give it a shot. And I must say I was pretty excited. Yeah, it was new for me. I do not normally like bright colors, but like I said, I go along with the flow and I truly get amazed how these papers are all worked out together. And yeah, I must say, why am I surprised? Because all the Graphic 45 papers are working nicely against each other. I must say that I add a few black and white papers in it. That's just my opinion that these colors works even better. So, but not going to babble too much. Let's see what I did. So the first thing I like to tell you is the size. The size of this album is 9.5 by 6 inches, and that is in centimeters 24 by 15 centimeters. So yeah, it's a landscape model and the spine is, I believe, 3.5. I believe, yep, it's 3.5 and it's 9 centimeters. So yeah, it's pretty big, but yeah, it's still doable. It's pretty nice to put pictures in and I love how it turns out. So this is the front. And I used the front cover and I mix and matched, cut apart and cover up, and yeah, you will see in the tutorial how I did this front. There was a little tuck spot behind here, just a little tag in here. You can write something down on the back when you're going to give this to someone if you like. So yeah, and then this is the side, the spine, bedtime story. Added a nice cutout picture, and the back I used these leftover pieces, and this is also from the front sheet. Now you always can write your name on here when you're gonna give this to someone or when you're gonna use this for your child book or baby book, or but yeah, it's fun. So I made a closure with this black and white ribbon, and let's open this up. And let's go to the front page. The in and outside cover, I made a nice thick pocket. So you can add loads of things in it. But I get a little wild, as always. And I made a little notebook, so you can write something down. And that fits nicely in here. I made just a little envelope where you can add something. And I covered up an envelope. This was the very last thing I did with all my leftovers, but I think I like it. You can add a nice image in here, and you can add little things in here so it won't get lost. Okay, so that is the first pocket. Then we go to this page. The first thing I'm gonna say, I did use the waterfall double hinge. So the pages are pretty flat, and I'm gonna tell you, I did manage, I did use a few brads in the spine, in the hinges. That's the very first time I used that, but yeah, I like it. So it's an extra stability for your pages, so that works pretty cool. But let us go first to the first page. Simple pocket. I made a few tags in here, and this I cut out so you see the back of these beautiful cards that is in this paper collection. So a few cards, a little envelope, and then this flips open. And I do have on several pages a nice big photo frame with a nice frame with these black and white dots. And then in here also 2 nice photo frames and a little, yep. Oh my gosh. There we go. And a little tuck spot right here. You can add more things in here if you like. I just glue the ends of these strips. And then this closes all down with just a little photo holder. And in each pocket there is a photomat tag. And it was very last sheet that I had. So there was nothing else. So more I did not do on the inserts. And I have to tell you, how many sheets did I use? I did use 13 sheets of the Graphic 45 Mother Goose. And I believe 2, 4, let's say 5 sheets 12 by 12 black and white papers. Okay, so that is only what I did use. So 13, 18, 19, yeah, 19 papers, 12 by 12 I used. So it's pretty big, but you can use it all. You know me, I did use every single scrap of it. Then this page has a nice pocket at the front. And this is with a pocket and a little booklet inside. This is actually an envelope. And then this flips up with a nice photo frame up here. And then here there is, yeah, actually it's a nice photo frame, but I glued down Humpty Dumpty, but I not glue it all down. So you still can use this as a nice tuck spot or add your photo on the back. But still you see that Humpty Dumpty. So that is just a choice. Okay, let's go to the next page. This next page, well, it looks busy, and yeah, actually it is busy. This method I saw on Instagram a few weeks ago, and I tried it out and I loved it because, yeah, you know me, I do like black and white, and when I saw that on Instagram, I thought, wow, that is cool, that fits perfectly in this album with all these black and white strips. So that is why I did that. So I made this little booklet, so cool. Inside is plain. There is another one on this side, and then another tag right here, and a little booklet on here. And then these all opens up, and then you have a nice big photo frame. And I left this black so you can use this for a photo spot, or you can write something down in white. So that is what this is all. And this keeps it a little on its place. Just a little tuck spot here and there. And then this keeps it a bit together. Okay. And then inside here another big tag. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Oops. That's supposed to be right there. So yeah, as you see, this is the closure for a big waterfall. I glued down a few white photo mats in here, but mostly I left it black because this is going to be thicker when you're adding your photos in here. So that is why I kept most things black. And here there's just a nice cut out, was the last thing that I cut out from the first sheet. And then this stays all together. Now in the back we have a big photo mat, which I covered up with some cutouts and a nice image. And the back I leave it plain so you can use it for write something down or put a nice big photo on. Okay, let's go to the next page. The next page, again, I made these booklets with that method using little pieces of design paper and made, yeah, a nice tag. This was actually the actual design I saw on Pinterest and Instagram. So yeah, I just write down hello little, think that is cute. Oh, I can put this back in. Then we have a little photo frame swing tab And then this flips up and we have a big photo mat at the top and 2 photo mats down here, and this is not glued down completely, so you can shovel your picture underneath. And then this goes to here to the right, and then we have a nice picture frame on the right and a nice picture frame on the bottom. And again, I did not glue this completely down, so you can tuck your photo under, which I did already with a nice photo, with a nice postcard. And then in here also a nice big insert. So lots of place for photos. Then we go to the next page. This holds down with these 2 swing tabs. This opens up, a little photo mat in here and a photo mat here. Then this goes to the right, and in here just 2 nice little photo frames on each side, little tuck spots, and here also a nice photo frame. And then I believe this flips up too, yes. Okay, lots of places to put something in there. Your nice photos. And then this flips back. Okay, the next page. The next page we have a nice pocket, and I added a nice booklet inside. Then we have another pocket right here, and then this flips open, and then we have another nice tag from that collection. And then this flips back, and then this is the stopper. And of course a nice insert. Then we go to the next page. This, I will move it up a little. Okay, this page. So we have a nice pocket right here with a nice booklet and a nice insert. And a nice photo frame, but I used already a nice image like that. But you can use the back for writing something down. Then this tag is holding down this string, and then this opens up, 2 photo mats on the sides and a nice pocket where you can add something, photos in here. And then this goes back and you close this down. And I thought it would be cute to add a nice tag in here, so the string will not go anywhere. Okay, so let's go to the next page. This next page has a nice pocket on here with a nice little booklet. You can write something down and put a nice photo in with a nice image. Then this is a magnetic closure. You can open it up. And then we have the first page where you can still add your photo on the back here. Same here. I only glue this in the middle. Nice photos in here. Another photo frame. And you still can add a nice photo on here. Nice photo frame. This I love, making some image with the papers. I love the colors. And these are the primer colors, so I thought that would be perfect. And you see now the black and white papers, they fit perfectly with these beautiful colors. And I love that. I love black and white and bright colors. So that is why I added some black and white papers. Nice photo frame right here. Here you can put a nice photo too. And then this is the last picture, the last photo frame. So yeah, this goes like this. So it's quite. Is it a waterfall? No, not exactly. It's a nice, yeah, photo page frame. I don't know. Anyway, and then here there is a large insert too. And then it goes back in here. And then we go to the last page, almost the last page. Here I use that same image, and you can flip this down, and then you have a nice place for photos, and we have still a pocket. and on this there was exactly the same thing. And this, I kept this loose so you still can add your photo underneath. Okay. And then the last page, there is again a nice deep pocket where I added again a booklet, and you can leave this out if you like. A nice booklet, also notebook, a nice, this is a booklet, and a homemade envelope with a nice card already in it. Okay, and that's that, guys. I had so much fun making this, and yeah, I like it. I hope you liked it too. I used this image to cover up a nice pocket. Okay, so yeah, what do you think? I like it. It's busy, yes, I must confess that too. It's busy, especially these 2 pages. They are busy, but I still like that, especially with that black and white. I love that. That makes the papers really settle down. I don't know the word, but I just like how it all turns out. Plenty of places for photos, like you see. We still have place. That is why I made a 3.5 spine. We still have that place, and the pages are still activity enough. So yeah, I think it's a good size, and I do like the landscape. Lovely size for your photos. And yeah, I don't know, do you like this for a baby or for a child? You can use it in any way you like. So I absolutely love this. First time I use these papers, and I must say, yes, I must admit it, I do love these papers. I always told people I do not like Mother Goose, but yeah, now I do. Now I work with these. Okay, so I used 13 papers, Graphic 45 Mother Goose, and I used, yeah, I think 5 extra black and white papers. So that is what I used. Okay, I hope you liked it. Give me a big thumbs up if you do. If you aren't a subscriber to my channel, then please subscribe, and you will get a notification when I do upload a new tutorial or a new project or anything. So please do, let's join my tutorial. Oh yeah, so okay, of course I made a tutorial of this, so please stay tuned for them. So yeah, give me a big thumbs up. Bye bye, thanks for watching. Oh, before I forgot, sometimes I do get a lot of questions when ends a tutorial or whatever. I normally always upload a new part or a new project at Monday, Wednesday and Friday. That are my 3 days in a week that I upload a new part or a new project at 6 o'clock. Okay, so that is just what I want to say. No, yeah, sometimes in a weekend I have an extra day to upload, but that is just occasionally. Well, lately it's more on occasionally, but anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up. Bye bye.